Hi, my name is Sarah. Let me tell you about my day. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and get ready for the day. Then, I go to the kitchen.
Good morning, Sarah. What would you like for breakfast?
Good morning. Mom, I'd like some toast and an egg, please. I have breakfast with my mom. We talk about our plans for the day. After breakfast, I get my bag and go to work. I work in an office from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I sit at my desk and use my computer to do my tasks. During the day, I have a short coffee break.
Hi, Sarah. Do you want to grab a coffee?
Yes, that sounds good. Let's go. We have a short break, drink coffee, and chat. It's nice to talk with my coworkers and relax a bit. At noon, it's time for lunch. I usually go to a small cafe near my office, where I order my favorite meal and take some time to unwind. Sometimes I bring a book or check my phone for messages as I eat. Once lunch is over, I head back to the office to finish up my work. After a full day of work, I like to go to the gym. Exercising helps me feel refreshed and stay healthy. I usually meet friends there, and we work out together, starting with some stretching before moving on to other exercises. It's always fun, and I feel energized afterward. After the gym, I take the bus to get back home. I arrive around 7 p.m., take a quick shower, and help my mom prepare dinner. We sit down and eat together.
How was your day, Sarah?
It was good. I finished my tasks at work, and I also went to the gym. After dinner, I relax. I watch some TV or read a little. Around 10 p.m., I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and go to my room.
Good night, Sarah.
Good night, Mom. See you in the morning. I go to bed and fall asleep, ready for a new day.
Let's have a look at the meaning of the key words in the story. Breakfast. The first meal of the day, usually eaten in the morning. Example. I had toast and an egg for breakfast. Coworker. A person who works with someone, especially in the same office. Example. My coworker invited me to have a coffee during our break. Task. A specific job or duty someone needs to complete. Example. One of my tasks at work is to write reports. Break. A short period of rest or relaxation during work. Example. During my coffee break, I like to chat with my coworkers. Unwind. To relax and let go of stress. Example. I go to a cafe at lunch to unwind and enjoy my meal. Gym. A place where people go to exercise and work out. Example. After work, I like to go to the gym to stay fit. Exercising. Physical activity done to keep the body fit and healthy. Example. Exercising after work makes me feel refreshed. Prepare. To make or get something ready. Example. I help my mom prepare dinner in the evening. Bedtime. The time someone usually goes to bed or goes to sleep. Example. At bedtime, I brush my teeth and wash my face before sleeping.